Guys, so been requested that we do quite a popular topic actually. It's how to change your Fortnite username. So my one currently is Thomas XBIII. So that's with capital T. And feel free to add me on on Epic Games if you want to have a game or anything. But if you want to change that, we all know that we can't on console. So I don't know if you can actually do it on any platforms, but I know personally on console I haven't been able to do it. So I've figured out a bit of an override in how to permanently change the username. So it's not like a temporary thing; it's like legitimate change. So what you want to do is you want to go over to, if it wants to go in, that's what we're looking for. So you want to go into Add Epic Games Friends. So you want to go Add Friend. And all you want to do is enter display name or email. And what you want to do is you want to make sure it's lowercase. You want to type in system 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 dash, so this little dash here, override. Override. Override, and it's going to be override 409. And you want to close that one. So, and after that is where you're going to put your username. So you want to make sure it's in the square brackets here. Don't know correct term for those, but so I want my username to be Alex. Do you reckon we'll do Alex was taken, but alright, so it's Alex was taken. I just skipped it so you guys didn't have to sit in boredom. And then we're gonna close bracket that one. And then we're gonna go this one here. 313. And then you want to close that one as well. Okay, so what this is going to do is this is going to be like a little code that's going to override the software and like sort of settings inside of Epic Games. So all you want to do from there is you want to press your start button, and it's going to say failed to send an invite. Obviously, it's not a real name. But what you want to do from here is you want to hold Y, keep holding Y, and then you want to hold this one as well and spam your bumpers. And then, as quickly as possible, you want to stop, and hold this button just here. Hold it, do not let go. You can hold this for as long as you want. From here, we're going to switch over and we're going to get out of the chat, but we're going to get out of this part and we're going to go into the chat and we're going to write another little piece of override for the software. So quickly, we get out of the chat, go into the actual chat, and we're going to type all brackets uppercase brackets whatever start update now, and what you want to do is press start, and you want to hit your bumpers together, and hold your home button. Do not let go of your bumpers until you press turn off console. Now you can let go. Alright, so what this is going to do, this is going to overwrite the little piece of software that stops you from changing it, and it's gonna alter your username. So I'll load back up the console now, and I'll be with you in 2 seconds. Alright, so we're just loading up Fortnite now, and we're gonna retry. As you just saw in that little buffer there, my name was still Thomas, but as soon as we log in and we load up Battle Royale, I think it should have changed the actual username straight up. If it doesn't, I have an alternative, but it should have changed the email straight up. I will show you anyway the other method if it doesn't load up. Alright, so we're gonna load up Battle Royale. Alright, we finally loaded up, and it's the actual username has changed like we had hoped, but I have experienced issues where the username did not change. So it's worked perfectly for us here. Username has changed, and if it doesn't change, your issue is then going hold to chat, and you just go delete name, and that's what you're going to type, and then you're going to press start, and then you're just going to restart the Xbox again, and by then it should load up your new name. But since ours worked, we got a first try. So this is what you should see. Your desired username has changed, but like I said, just do that extra step and it should overwrite the rest of it. It's just a little bit of a security thing that you need to pass. This isn't my only video on the whole Fortnite topic. If you're new to the channel, just give us a like, maybe a subscribe, and stay up to date on future content. But if you want to figure out how to utilize the gifting system and change skins, get skins for free, those are in my other videos also. But nevertheless, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.